Hello everyone, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can fix the error your device is missing important security and quality fixes. So we will be doing that in your Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. Just follow these few simple processes that I'm going to show you, and please do finish watching this video till the very end. So first, let us go to the Windows Search tab and there type update. And under best match, you will see here the check for updates option. So please click on that, and you will be able to see if your Windows is up to date or not. So if you have still updates that are still needed to be downloaded or installed, then please download them and install. And you can also check for updates but just by clicking this check for updates button here, and you will also get the latest updates as soon as they're available once you turn on this button here. Okay, so after doing this one, let us close this one first. After doing the update, just make a quick restart with your device and then you're good to go. But if you're still facing issues or the same error, then let's go with the troubleshoot settings just by searching here in the Windows Search tab, troubleshoot. And you will see here under best match the troubleshoot settings. So please click on that. And then we will be brought to the troubleshoot option. So here we have three options here, so please click on the last one, the other troubleshooters. And then once we're in this window, you will see under most frequent options or section the Windows update. So all you need to do is to run the troubleshooter for Windows update, and it will diagnose what is the problem, and thereafter you will be provided with the steps or the procedures that are needed to be done for your device to be fixed, and just follow them and then just make a quick restart with your device after the troubleshooting process has been made. Okay, so let me just close this one, and that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and of course subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.